Formula 3-in-1, goodbye to frizz, gray hair and watch your hair grow like crazy. Only 3 ingredients, multiple results. As we age, our hair stops growing like before and may also start graying. Hair loss and gray hair are one of the most common problems in today's society. It can affect anyone regardless of gender and is not something you can easily treat. Although hair loss is common for older people, sometimes even younger persons can be affected, which can really hurt their self-esteem. In order to treat hair loss, people usually use commercial products or pay thousands of dollars on ineffective treatments that can sometimes do more harm than good. The commercial hair loss products are rarely effective and contain harmful chemicals which can worsen the problem. Luckily, nature can help against hair loss. There are many plants and roots that can boost the growth of your hair while also restoring your hair's natural color. Here's one recipe that contains only 3 natural ingredients and can resolve your problems in just a short time. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, a small piece of ginger root, 5 to 7 vitamin E capsules. Preparation: grate the ginger first, then add it in a blender along with the other ingredients and mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. Apply the remedy on your scalp and massage for a bit, then put a shower cap on and leave it to work for 40 minutes. Repeat the process regularly, and the remedy will boost your hair growth and restore the color of your hair in no time. It's vital not to stop process, just repeat day by day and you will soon see the incredible results. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.